Hi guys, welcome to our video on understanding marketing channels in the UK. Understanding marketing channels in the UK. In this video, we will dive deep into the world of marketing channels in the UK. We will explore the different channels available to marketers, their pros and cons, and how to choose the right one of your business. This video is a must watch for anyone looking to expand their marketing strategy in the UK. As a marketer, you know that the success of your marketing strategy depends on choosing the right marketing channel. In this video, we will guide you through the various marketing channels available in the UK and help you determine which one is best of your business. Before we dive into different marketing channels in the UK, let's define what marketing channels are. A marketing channel is a path or means through which goods or service are moved from the producer to the end consumer. In the context of marketing, channels refer to the methods used by business to communicate with their customer and promote their products or services. First, digital marketing channels. The first type of marketing channel we will discuss in digital marketing. Digital marketing has revolutionized the way business marketing their products and service in recent years. With the rise of the internet and social media, businesses have access to range of digital marketing channels including email marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, search engine optimization and paid advertisement. First, wide reach, cost effective, measurable, high targeted, high competitive, constantly evolving, requires specialist knowledge, can be time consuming. Second, traditional marketing channels have been around for decades and include print advertisement, direct mail, TV, radio, and outdoor advertisement. While traditional marketing channels may not be as popular as the ones, they can still be effective, especially when used in conjunction with digital marketing channels. Next part in next video. This is first part. Second part in next video. Thank you for watching.